Welcome to Eoiin Connect. In this video, we're going to be talking about your organizational structure. This is your dashboard, your home screen. The way back here is always by clicking the Eoiin Connect logo in the top left-hand corner of your screen. In the top right-hand corner, you'll see notifications, favorites, and settings. This hexagon here in the middle is your company, the folder that contains all other folders. By clicking on the plus symbol, you can either choose to create a folder and organize your projects, or you can create a project right off the bat. You can use multiple folders, as many as you need to organize your program of work. You'll notice folders in this view display 6 icons. The first, a green circle, counts how many projects have been completed on or ahead of schedule. We like those. The second icon, an amber square, indicates the number of projects with issues or risks with its delivery. The third icon, a red octagon, indicates the number of projects that are exceeding time or budget constraints beyond set limits. The fourth icon, a blue circle, summarizes the number of projects that are yet to have data assigned. The folder icon counts how many other folders are contained within this folder, and the list icon counts the total number of projects within that folder and all other subfolders within. Let's view a project. A project is presented on the home screen like so. A scale tracks how much of the project is complete, and icons track the number of milestones, agile tasks, issues, and risks. You will see that there is a colored border around the project folder. This color indicates the overall health of the project: red, amber, or green. To open a project, simply give it a click. But that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Eoiin Connect. Organize your projects, connect your team, manage your work, grow your business.